Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Kumar and today in this video we are going to learn how we can install Terraform in my Windows system. So first of all, to install Terraform we have to type in the Google download Terraform. Once the Terraform website will be up, this is the Terraform website, means this is the developer.highsecorp.com, and here you can simply go to window, and in the window you have to download whether which binary you want. So I'm using AMD 64-bit laptop, so I will just download this. If you are using 16-bit, then you can go for that. So this is downloading to my, I will just download this into my D drive. Okay, let it download. So I think it is downloaded, so I will go to this location. Okay, it is here. So we need to just unzip it, extract all in the D directory only, and once you extract this, then you will get this binary file. So you have to copy this path, or you can just copy this one and and paste it into C. I will just creating one folder where I will just work on Terraform. So I'll just preparing a Terraform folder, and in this Terraform folder you have to paste it. So now if you go to CMD, if you open CMD from here, so just type CMD and type here Terraform, it will work. But if you go to some other location and type here Terraform, it will not work. So we have to set the class path. We need to set the path of Terraform. So we have to set the path of Terraform in my environment variable. So you can copy this path. Okay, you can just copy from here, copy as path, and you can open edit environment variable. And once you open this environment variable, you have to go to the path variable. Okay, open this path variable, go to new and paste it. And you don't have to paste this terraform.exe, just we have to paste till the location where you have kept the Terraform boundaries. So this is fine. Then okay, that's done, and just close this as well. And now if you open this CMD, let me open the CMD now. Open this CMD and type Terraform, anywhere it will work. Okay, this is very simple video where I have told you how to install Terraform in your Windows laptop. To work efficiently on Terraform, you need one IDE, and we are going to use VS Code IDE to write our Terraform config file. So to do that, you can install very useful extension. That is nothing but you can go to here and type here Terraform. Okay, there is two extension. We will install this HashiCorp Terraform. Along with that, we will install Azure Terraform, because we are going to do this installing, and we will install Terraform for Azure as well. Okay, because why we need this, because if you have this both, then you can easily write your TF file, Terraform file, and it will be very easy to debug. If you are getting any error, it will just show you this line is having the error and all. So this is very good, and we are going to use this two extension that is there in our VS Code. So for that, you can see this is our HashiCorp Terraform, and we'll install. Okay, we install Azure as well. You can see this is our HashiCorp Terraform. So now if you let me open one folder, I will open the same folder, C Terraform folder, and here I will create one. Okay, yes, trust it. Here I will create one file called main.tf. See, as soon as you will type your main.tf, so your VS Code will understand that we are going to work on Terraform, and you can see this icon and all, everything is coming here, and you can see that the Azure uh, Terraform provider will be here. You see, this is the Terraform. So as soon as you will type your main.tf, you will get this icon. It means we are working on Terraform file. So that's all for this video. We have learned in this video how to download and install Terraform binaries, and how to configure to man extension in the VS Code. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video.